Plugins makes automation easy with WordPress website. For a WordPress blog, the frequently developing plugin assures larger preference, easy to change materials and snappy upgrades to the blog or site. It is PHP-based and widely developers import new capacities and administrations to the internet site, providing clients simple access to efficient to utilize highlights. Based on this, here are the custom-made plugin promotion is what you looking for. Based on this, let's discuss that how automation made easy with WordPress plus plugins in detail. Begin with analytics. It is essential to track the achievement and disappointment of all parts of the distinctive sorts of promoting that you do. Google Analytics, with e-commerce solutions following empowered, is an amazing device for this if you have your e-commerce module set to send all the vital occasions. If you do, you will have the capacity to track where your deals are originating from. At the end of the day, take a gander at numbers for site guests, as well as observe your change rate by channel. The enhanced e-commerce tracking module from Shop Plugins is a simple-to-set-up device that guarantees that the right information is sent to Google Analytics. With this setup, you see where your activity originates from, as well as where your business originates from also. There is additionally an Ad User History plugin by Brian Richards. This module includes data around a client's wait-up and installment history. It demonstrates the eluding site, and after that each page on your site that a client went by, with time spent on every page. Utilize both modules, however, to incline toward utilizing the most worldwide view gave by enhanced e-commerce tracking, over the more client-driven view gave by User History add-on. Empowering purchases. An extraordinary approach to both support deals and get included esteem from a deal is the Social Discount add-on by Andrew Monroe. This module gives potential clients a markdown in return for a social share. Not just does it give them an additional impetus to buy, however, it turns their buy, or even a prematurely ended buy, into free advertising for your item. It is one of those extraordinary approaches to get esteem by giving worth, all while expanding your deals. If you have ever been to the Easy Digital Downloads webpage, you will see that they make an extraordinary showing with regards to of demonstrating to you when an item you have chosen is a piece of a package. This sort of upwelling shows potential clients how they can spare by spending more. The additional esteem gives them a motivating force to make a bigger buy. This upselling is controlled by the cross-sell and upsell add-on, which was additionally made by Andrew Monroe. Notwithstanding upselling, it additionally gives recommendations to comparable items that somebody may likewise be occupied with. One baffling part about e-commerce is shopping basket surrender. This is an issue that you have to address in your site outline. In spite of the fact that this may minimize the issue, in any case, remember that there is no silver shot arrangement. The sales recovery add-on will send clients who begin looking at, yet don't complete update messages, which incorporate rebates. Transforming customers into repeat customers. Once you have made a deal, you need to ensure that you set up an association with the client to energize rehash deals. There are various approaches to doing this, yet the most evident route is to have clients pick into your mailing list at checkout. There are easy digital downloads reconciliations for basically whatever instrument you use for your email list. Notwithstanding adding clients to your general mailing show, you can likewise send certain messages to them. One approach to doing this is utilizing Receipt, a free administration from Webe's Prime supporter API. Receipt gives you a chance to upgrade both the outline and the substance of receipts sent by the numerous WordPress commerce modules, including easy digital downloads. Another extraordinary device for following up on deals is Drip. Trickle is typically utilized with a direct option frame to enlist individuals in a course or some likeness thereof that finishes with a unique offer, or some other kind of offer's pitch. The thought is to send individuals a few free bits of substance that are not attempting to make the deal, but rather give esteem to them. At that point, once a relationship has been built up, you make the attempt to close the deal. Another approach to utilizing drip is to begin the messages after a deal. Foutcats Apps makes an add-on that makes it easy to add individuals to a trickle crusade after a deal. It is an amazing approach to begin a discussion with your client, and send them supportive assets and unique arrangements. Wrapping up. Regardless of which instrument you pick, there are two imperative things to remember. The first is that once you begin offering rebates, as the vast majority of these devices do, your clients will begin to expect these rebates. Therefore, it turns out to be increasingly hard to offer without them. The second thing is that advertising automation can undoubtedly feel manufactured and get to be spammy rather rapidly. Moreover, every e-commerce module for WordPress has a practically equivalent to advice for a few, if not all, of these errands. If you have found or improved an apparatus for one of these employments, or an alternate approach to actualizing promoting automation in easy digital downloads, please make sure to leave a remark and let everybody know.